Physical condition, we are clearing the secretions along the airway by coughing or sneezing. But some people are not able to do this due to the several reasons. To remove the secretion from these patients, caregivers are tapping on the backs or using suction device. But unfortunately, these ways are just giving pains or unwanted side effects by making damages on the surface of the airways. To help these patients, Comfort Cough is stimulating natural cough by controlling the air pressure to negative and positive way. It gives no pains, neither unexpected contamination, but it gives perfect results, which are almost same as of natural cough. Comfort Cough is consisted of main body and patient circuits with filter, tube, connector, and mask. Comfort Cough is also applicable to the tracheal tube directly. Comfort Cough has 4 modes as automatic, percussion, oscillation, and manual to make the best clearance result as per the patient's condition. Also, Comfort Cough can be operated by foot switch as on option in manual mode to provide the caregiver more hand to support the patient to help the caregiver. Oscillation mode is not independent function but can be used with automatic and manual mode. This function is giving vibration during inhaling or exhaling or both process and shaking off the secretions to clean the airway more easily. Percussion mode is applicable in inhaling process only, and this mode is designed to give more physical impact on the airway to shake off the mucus. In percussion mode, specially designed exhalation valve must be used to release out the overflow air. Comfort Cough can be used freely between 100 to 240 voltage. It also supports detachable battery with balance indicator. Software can be upgraded with the newest version, and the patient's data management is available with detachable SD card. To avoid the contamination, the patient's circuit can be stored on its holder.